tell us a little bit about your thoughts on the LNG market.
I think that the LNG market is the brightest story right now for shipping. We have seen the rates really quadrupling since the summer of 2010 at more than $140,000, and people are talking about even greater increases. What we have experienced the last year is a tremendous shortage of vessels. Whether we have a shortage of 20 or 30 vessels is practically irrelevant, but the reality is that we need more ships than what we have available, and the lack of shipping capacity is practically the bottleneck for LNG trade. I think that this is a situation that is going to continue over the next 2 to 3 years without a lot of changes. So we are going to experience a very tight market to the benefit of ship owners that they have available capacity. And on top of that, the long-term fundamentals, they look quite attractive. We have for the first time the mainland United States being prepared to export LNG. The first export terminal is going to be the Sabine Pass terminal in Louisiana that is expected to absorb almost half of the existing worldwide order book, and there are more applications in the pipeline waiting for DOE approval. And the world needs more energy, and with the constraints that we have in exploration of crude oil, LNG is the cheapest and most efficient alternative.
We saw gas logs set the stage for an IPO the other day. What are your thoughts on that? Is this the first of many?
I think that the world needs good LNG companies. The investor community needs good LNG companies. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to comment on any specific company, but I think that the more companies that they are out there, and the more alternatives that investor has, that's going to be good both for investors and for the shipping industry.